Here we are out in our new boat. It's a 1994, even though a guy yesterday thought it was a 1957 at the boat ramp, but it's a 1994 Geisler and Son, and the motto is a French River. We added the steering wheel on here. It was mounted on the side, I don't know why, but this is our boat, and we have a newer motor on it. We have a 2007 25 horse Merc, and a lot of room in this boat. It's nice and deep. And I'll try to get the side of it a little bit. It's red, black down at the bottom. I even got the serial numbers, MS 1994 GS. But this is it when I'm going to show how it goes with a 25 horse Merc on it. We have electric start on it, but no power tilt and trim. But here we go. I don't know how, I don't have a GPS, but if I can find out someday, I'll write it in if I put this on YouTube. But here we go. Moves right along. Doesn't do too bad. Thinking we're probably doing about 30, but I'll find out for sure when I get a GPS in here. There's probably one on my phone, but I don't know how to use it. Yeah. Well, I got this. I'm just gonna go back over here. There's a dinosaur. Get it on video. Somebody's got a dinosaur over here. I don't know how well you can see it. I'll try to get up a little closer to it. You know you're out in the country when there's dinosaurs out there. I don't know how well you can see it. I can't see much on this, but there it is. This is Congermont Lake, South Pond, in Southwick, Mass, but we're actually on the Connecticut side over here. So we're in Connecticut right now. But okay, this is Dave from Westfield.